All right, I'm back again. This is actually my, I don't know, like fourth, fifth submission already for the Bolt Hackathon. But yeah, so the this one that I'm going to be showing you, if you can see on the screen, is basically the lead validator. So it's the idea that I have for the um, lead validator is basically it's a plug and play AI powered lead filtering system. So the problem it is trying to solve is spammy web form submissions, wasted time in verifying leads, especially for me. For example, I do N8N automations, and I do have a lead generator, but you don't usually get like good leads. So, well, you can do that and plug it in the N8N automation. But for people who don't have the time to actually create those automations, and who doesn't want to hire like AI experts to create an automation for them and deploy them in their own servers. But this is actually a pretty good alternative. Um, I'm actually submitting this for the one shot again competition for Bolt Hackathon. So the goal here is basically to show you like a quick dashboard of how the lead validator works. So anyway, at the end of the day, you just want like for business, for B2B, for business owners, they would just want like a verified lead. So like I remember because I was proposing for a client a system where they can actually get clients or get people to go to their event, a travel event, and I was suggesting that they actually have like a lead capture mechanism. So, but unfortunately, the lead capture mechanisms for many business owners, it's like they usually use Google Forms or they just have their own contact forms. And sometimes just people just put random stuff, even though there are captchas involved. But here in this particular use case, I wanted like you just put in like a script inside the form, and it basically the AI will actually verify it for you utilizing the tools that I included. So anyway, just for a quick demo. So this is again an MVP. This is a one shot kind of thing. So it's not some of them the functions are not working, but I'm pretty proud of like the way Bolt does it. So because it actually understood the context that I wanted it done. So I guess it's also the prompting component that I actually send it. So I'll actually include it in the dev post as well. But the prompting here is quite unique because they actually this majority of the one shot that I've been doing for Bolt is not. I just thought about it today, so it's actually done a well deep research for certain use case problems. Because I personally, as an AI guy, I really wanted to create solutions that are people actually really will use, and I personally have experiences with. So this is one of the solutions that I created. So it's very simple. So if you can look at the dashboard here, you actually see all your like the leads. Let's say you have a project. Let's say the company has like a project. So they create a user account, and they have projects. They have, let's say they get multiple leads from different contact forms. They can actually just see in the dashboard how these leads work, or how if there it's a spam, if it's being validated, etc., etc. And then the quality of those leads, whether it's really good or bad or low quality leads. So yeah, so it's very simple. I mean, it's a very simple UI. So they basically upload a project that they're currently working on. I think this really works very well if you have multi areas where you get lead, like multi lead magnets that you can have. So you just basically include this quick integration script that I've shown here on the screen. So that's it, and then you just get all the leads that you have, and you can remove the leads that the AI thinks it's actually like, no, this is not a good lead, so you can remove it. And it's the project is basically grabbing it from different, let's say, lead magnets. So if it's like a Facebook kind of thing, if it's like a website kind of thing, if it's like a, I don't know, an external Google form kind of thing. So but yeah, so you can they can these are just some of the components of the dashboard. So you have an integration guide, you have webhooks that you can include, and validations and settings. So I mean, this is again an MVP, so it's not really a fully functional kind of thing. But I'm pretty proud that actually Bolt was able to capture the context that I wanted, which makes it going to be like makes this whole process going to be a lot easier for me to do a trial and error run, and then experimentation on, and actually get like real time feedback from users. So yeah, so this is actually my Bolt. I don't know how many submissions already. But yeah, thank you very much for watching.